In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Kia K900 key fob. This key fob here was used on K900s between 2015 and 2017, and it takes one CR2032 battery. The first step is to turn it over to the back, hold down this silver button here to remove the internal key. Now you can see we have a keyhole, and right above it there's a little slot or indentation that we're going to put a flathead screwdriver into. Hold the device firmly and twist. That's going to open up the key fob, separating the two halves, and then we can just pull it apart with our fingers, just like that. Now set this to the side, and we are going to use the same tool to get under the battery here and pry it upwards. Can be a bit tricky to find where to go where to put your tool to do that. I'll show you again. Okay, so you're going to come in from this bottom corner here. Just try to get under the battery and it will pop out like that. There we go, a CR2032 battery. Take a brand new one. Make sure you're putting it in the positive side down like that. And just slide it into place towards this metal component before clicking in the top so that it sits flush. And now all we need to do is reconnect the two halves of the device. Make sure it all clicks together nicely, just like that. And put your key back in and you are finished. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let us know in the comment section or give us a like. And for any more information on how to change the batteries for any key fob for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.